If you're looking to transfer your existing phone number to Fizz, the process is simple and can be done quickly online. Follow these steps to make sure your number is transferred smoothly and without any hassle. Step 1. Prepare for number transfer. Before you begin, make sure you have the following information ready: your current phone number, your account information from your current carrier, account number, PIN, or password, depending on your carrier, your Fizz SIM card, or Order 1 if you haven't yet. Important: ensure that your current carrier account is active and that there are no outstanding balances or contract obligations. Step 2. Sign in to your Fizz account. Go to the official Fizz website at fizz.ca. Log in to your Fizz account or create a new one if you haven't done so already. If you're a new customer, you'll need to first choose a plan before proceeding with the number transfer. Step 3. Initiate the number transfer process. Once logged in, go to the activation page. Click on the Activate section of your Fizz account or visit fizz.ca activation. Select Transfer Your Number. Choose the option to transfer your existing phone number to Fizz. Step 4. Provide your current carrier details. You'll be asked to enter the following information from your current mobile provider. Account number. Find this on your most recent bill or contact your current carrier. Account PIN or password. This is required to verify your identity and authorize the transfer. If you don't have it, you may need to request it from your current carrier. Step 5. Verify your information. Double-check that all the details you've entered are correct. Any mistake could delay the process, so take your time to ensure everything is accurate. Step 6. Choose a Fizz plan. If you haven't already selected a plan, you'll be prompted to choose one during the activation process. Pick the plan that best suits your needs and complete the selection. Step 7. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your information, Fizz will begin the number transfer process. This typically takes a few hours, but it could take up to 2 business days depending on your current carrier. You will receive a confirmation once the transfer is complete. Important: during this period, you may experience a brief interruption in service, but this is normal. Once the transfer is complete, your number will be fully active on your Fizz account. Step 8. Test your new Fizz service. Once your number is successfully transferred, test your new Fizz service by making a call, sending a text, or using mobile data. This will confirm that everything is working correctly. Step 9. Enjoy your new Fizz service. Congratulations! Your number is now with Fizz. If you encounter any issues during the transfer process, you can reach out to Fizz support for assistance. By following these simple steps, you can easily transfer your phone number to Fizz and start enjoying all the benefits of their flexible plans and services. Enjoy your new mobile experience. Subscribe for more guides. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips on mobile services and tech guides.